Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 吉 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one sentence, one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 吉 extremely. Utmost, top. For example, 极品 means item of the highest quality. Highest quality, or person with these qualities. Item of the highest quality. Now check this sentence. They were both gorgeous wines in completely different ways. 它们是风格各异的两款极品红酒。They were both gorgeous wines in completely different ways. 它们是风格各异的两款极品红酒。两款极品红酒 wine. They were both gorgeous wines in completely different ways. 它们是风格各异的两款极品红酒。My casual handwriting on the character 吉。极 extremely, utmost, top, 极品 item of the highest quality, person with these qualities. They were both gorgeous wines in completely different ways. 它们是风格各异的两款极品红酒。极 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 极 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.